YDS Series Laboratory Liquid Nitrogen Containers. The YDS series of laboratory liquid nitrogen containers offers a capacity range of 30 to 230 liters and can be integrated with self-pressurizing containers for automatic refilling. Standard configuration: each unit comes equipped with 6 freeze racks. Rack capacity options, available in 5x5, 9x9, and 10x10 configurations. Depending on the container size, you can select 4 to 13 rack layers, providing a maximum storage capacity of up to 9,100 standard 2 ml cryogenic vials. Optional accessories for enhanced operation: smart neck plug. Optional features: real-time temperature and liquid level display, providing greater confidence in sample security. Self-pressurizing container compatibility enables quick and convenient connection for timely liquid nitrogen replenishment. Mobile carts optional. Overcome the challenge of moving heavy containers. We offer specialized carts for different sizes, for example, forklift type for 30L models, flatbed carts for 65L models, saving significant time and effort. Should you have any questions during use, please do not hesitate to contact us. We are committed to providing you with our dedicated service.